Good afternoon, morning, whatever. This is our last Vlogust for this year. Excuse the building work going over there. We are looking at some old cars. So I took my tripod here. Look at that. So I'm going to just turn this around. Look at that. Oh, here comes a car. Oh yes, look at that. So you can see some cars over there. Oh, there's anti-barriers here. What? Like, well, today is press day of this very exclusive car show. It's called the Concours of Elegance, which is a very, very posh name. I can see another car coming. Coming up this way. Apparently Andy Murray's here, which is which should be amazing to see. Oh, ow! Excuse the earache. Oh, look at that. Any more coming? Oh yes, look at that. Look at that tiny little one. That's my car. Is there any Lambos here? The posh present is it's about to be having a pub of Lambos. There's a golf cart coming. You might find any money in it. This tripod is very good so far. I feel like a proper vlogger. I feel like Casey Neistat. Oh no, it's just a golf cart. Okay. So let's have a look at some other cars. So yeah, we had to go this side of the garden because there's a wall here. And I'm not posh enough to be here, to be honest. Even though I have to suffer through that earache of the building works. Oh, look at this one here. If we go over here, there's literally no one else in the garden, in this part of the gardens. It's amazing. So we can get close, sort of close to the cars. Right, open up the tripod again. Oh, look at this. Granted, Brooklands, we do get closer to the cars, but I don't think there's a difference here really between here and Brooklands. They're both cars. So why is this place more posher? Everyone's in that suit and ties. Oh, do you see that car there? That's a Lambo over there. That bright green one. Just there. Look at that beauty. Yeah, that's doing art on this. I don't think I'm allowed to film this, but I'm doing it anyway. Here comes the car. Yeah, just the photographers go in front of it. Oh, look at that. Any more cars coming? No. Look, we're actually on the wall, so the tripod is on this wall here. See if I can, like, haha. This is dangerous, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stand on This is dangerous, and I know it. I laugh in the face. I laugh in the face of danger. Look how posh this is. I don't understand it. Why it's so posh. Look at that beauty. Not the car, but this tripod. Excuse the earmate of the building works going on just there. That's great. I have my tripod. I am so happy. I have a GoPro as well, but I haven't got a tripod for that yet. I was hoping to get one for the holiday, but since we have to do until then, because the holiday is on Monday. That's the vlog camera there. Brilliant. Casey Neistat, he's our out. There's more cars. Why down there? Look at that blue one right down there. See it and hear it with this plane. This blue one just there. That's a gorgeous act. I like this purple one here. I don't often see purple cars. Yeah, so this is the Concord Vlogust. If you're pushing off to come here. So this is my last Vlogust. There won't be any videos over the weekend. But Monday is my Butlins Bonanza, so it's lots of videos from there. Oh. I can't speak high enough for this tripod. It's amazing. It's a cheap one. It was only about £1. Not £2, not a pound, that's too cheap, but I think about £5 it was in the pound shop, which doesn't make any sense, but well, I'm gonna get into eat now because I'm starving, and enjoy my last Vlogust. This is Leanne, aka Big Red. Over and out.